Unity's trad platform is based on the traditional New England tall cape design. Trads typically range from 2,000 to 2,800 square feet. They may include 2 to 5 bedrooms and 1.5 to 3.5 baths. Some versions of the trad include a first-floor master suite, while in others, all of the bedrooms are on the second floor. A generous entry area typically leads to the open kitchen, dining, and living room areas. The trad's gable roof allows for plenty of usable space on the second floor, especially when dormers are added. We have carefully compiled collections of materials and fixtures that perform to the highest standards and work well together in our trad design. Visit unityhomes.com to learn more about the health, comfort, energy efficiency, and sustainability of Unity Homes, to download sample floor plans, or to explore our other designs: the Varm, the Xyla, the Zoom, or the Nano.